Hi guys, this is Jay with Inspired Designs with Jay, and in today's video this is a tour of my bedroom. I had started a series of how I will redecorate my home or my apartment in 2020, and I left off with my bedroom and my closet. So in today's video you'll get the bedroom tour. It is nothing fancy by any means. It is the smaller of the two bedrooms, and because I'm turning the bigger bedroom into my master closet because it has a bathroom in that room. So, but this is my bedroom, and I'm going to turn you around. Okay, I'm standing at the doorway of my bedroom, and this is the bedroom. It's a little gray today, so you see I have this huge poster bed, but I'm over it. I want a platform bed closer to the ground because she have her personal summers, honey, and she gets hot. So if I'm closer to the ground, I think it would be better. This chair is old, and I sit here and I watch my TV, which is over here, and I work on my stuff right here. So excuse the mess, but this is real life, and you'll get to see how I transform this room in 2020. So this is my bedroom again. Maybe if I turn the overhead light on, it might bring some light to the situation. Again, like I said, this is nothing fancy, and we'll be getting a new bed and new comforters. Rugs will go down. The TV will go up on the wall. We'll be getting new curtains because they do not go all the way down to the floor, if you could see that right there. And this piece will probably be sold on Facebook Marketplace. And this chair will come out of here, and a different chair will come out of, will go in this closet. I will turn it into my cloffice, and so that I can work, or it may go into the master closet. I'm not quite sure on that yet. But again, this is my bedroom, nothing fancy. And this is what we're going to do for 2020. We redesign, get smaller nightstands. I just have one of these and something smaller on the other side where that lamp is. I love my crystal lamps, but we need new lampshades because you can see the light bulb. They're not the right shades for this lamp. And so we'll go on that journey of finding new lampshades, declutter. I have a lot of sprays and candles because the people downstairs smoke, and I am bombarded with their smoke, which I feel I shouldn't have to, but it is what it is being in an apartment. And yeah, guys, that's it. And it is my goal to inspire you to design your life with style. Thank you for coming along on this journey with me, and we will see you in the next video, which will be the closet. And please do not judge me when I show you my closet, because I sleep in here now, it has become a dumping ground. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next video. Again, it is my goal to inspire you to design your life with style. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.